During our recent holidays in Italy, my boys and I visited Museo Enzo Ferrari in Modena. Museo Enzo Ferrari is one of two museums dedicated to the world-famous car manufacturer Ferrari. The other museum is located in nearby Maranello and focuses more on Ferrari racing history. This museum in Modena focuses more on the life and work of Enzo Ferrari, the founder of Ferrari brand. Enzo was born in Modena. He started his career as a race driver and later created a great racing and car manufacturing company as we know today under the name Ferrari. The focal point of the museums are, surprise, surprise, cars! There are many amazing vehicles put on display, old and new. Apart from cars, you can also see some historical documents and pictures, as well as some of the most important engines ever produced by Ferrari. During the visit, you can also watch really nice video projection that shows life and work of Enzo through historical images and videos. To sum up, Museum Enzo Ferrari is a nice small museum that wonderfully presents its topic. The entrance fee is with 17 euros per person, a bit steep considering how small it is. But this is Ferrari and Ferrari has high price tag. I'm not a huge cars enthusiast, so it wasn't the most exciting museum I have ever visited, but I still had a nice time there with my boys.